Last day we had seen the mode of creating charge by the banks. In that we studied loan, pledge, hypothecation and assignment. So what do you mean by loan? Anuj.
Sir, it is a right to retain the goods of the borrower until the debt is repaid.
Okay. Next, what do you mean by pledge? Pledge. Anjo.
Pledge is the bailment of goods as securities for payment of the debt.
Okay, bailment of goods as a security for the payment of debt. Next, what do you mean by hypothecation? Anila, what do you mean by hypothecation?
It creates an equitable charge on movable property without possession.
Okay. Next, what do you mean by assignment? What do you mean by assignment? Hanna. Assignment.
Is the transfer of ownership from one person to the other.
Okay, transfer of ownership or right from one person to another right. Sometimes existing right or future rights. So next, today we'll complete this chapter. Types of security, equity share, bond, warrants, mutual fund. So first one, equity share. Equity share, bond. These are the security. Equity share, bond, warrants, mutual fund. So first one, equity share. So if the company want capital, they will issue share to the public. There are two companies are there, public company and private company. Private company means it is started by some group of people, private individual. Public means they are raising capital through the issue of share to the public. They will get a fund through the issue of share to the public. Okay, so they are issuing two types of share, equity share and preference share. Now we are discussing only equity share. Means equity shares are those shares which are not preference share. Two types of shares they are issuing. Public company, they are issuing, example public company, lot of companies are there, majority of the companies are listed companies, Aditya Birla, okay, Tata, lot of companies are there, they are listed companies, Adani, okay, Apollo, lot of companies are there. So they are issuing shares. There are two types of shares they are issuing: equity shares and preference shares. Preference shares means, suppose Anjo took which one 10,000 preference share you took. Suppose 10% is dividend. 10,000 preference share, 10 face value. So you have to give 1 lakh. 10 is the face value. Suppose, okay. So 1 lakh you have to give. Total. So 10% you will get a dividend. So if you took a preference share, you will get a fixed rate of dividend. You will get fixed rate of dividend and repayment of this 1 lakh. After the period, you will get repayment first. First you will get, then only equity shareholders will get. Okay, so the preference share, they will get the preferential rate as to dividend. Dividend also, after getting profit, first they will give dividend to the preference share. Then if any balance, then only equity share. Okay, so equity shares are those shares which are not preference share. Suppose if you took a equity shares, you look at that, it is known as ordinary share or common share. So it represents owner's capital in a company. Means if you took, suppose Hanna took equity shares from a which one Apollo company. Okay, Anju took a preference share. So Anna is the owner of that company. Means those who took equity shares, they are the real owners of the company. They are the real owners of the company. Okay. So they have a control over the working of the company. If you took equity share, you have a control. You can, which one? You can participate in the meeting of the company. So then one thing you have to remember, equity shares are paid dividend after paying it to the preference shareholder. Okay, so that is related to the equity shareholder. Means the right of dividend on these shares depends upon the profit of the company. It depends upon the profit of the company, because return we have to, means interest. Instead of interest, we are telling, if you take equity share, if you purchase equity share, we will get a dividend. Dividend, return. Okay, dividend, return is a dividend. So the right of return, it is depends upon the profit of the company. Means if after getting profit, first the company will distribute it to preference shareholders. Then if anything it is there, then that amount will give to equity share. If they have more balance after giving dividend to the preference share, because preference shares have fixed right of dividend. After giving, if the company have more profit, everything who will get equity shareholders will get. Suppose if nothing it is there, means they won't get anything. Okay, so the risk also there. But if it is more, they will get more profit. So due to it is subject to speculation. Okay, so they take risk regarding the dividend and the repayment of capital. Dividend also, repayment of capital also, they will get after paying to the preference shareholders. First they will give to a debenture, loan, then preference share, then only equity share. But what is the benefit? Those who purchase their shares, they are the owners of the company. Okay, they can participate in the meeting of the company. Okay, that is related to equity share. Suppose other shares, they have no any right to participate in the meeting of the company. Preference shares have no right to. Okay, but they have safe in a safe zone. They will get fixed rate of dividend and repayment of capital before paying to the equity share. Okay, that is related to equity shares. So the shareholders take more risk compared to preference share. They take more risk compared to preference shareholder. More risk. Okay, so that is equity share. Next, another security is bond. Bond is a debt security. Debt. Bond is a debt security. Means it is a fixed income security. Fixed income security. Okay, that represents it is a fixed income security that represents a loan by an investor to a borrower. Okay, so bond is a debt security. So company point of view, it is a debt security. Means the companies are taking loan from the public. So like a debenture. Okay, so it is a creditorship securities. We are taking loan not from the bank, from the public. Okay, that is bond. It is a debt security. So it is a fixed income security. Means if example, if you take a loan from the public, the public have that people have no right to participate in the company's decision making. But if the public, if the purchased equity share, means they have the right to participate. Understand? But they have the right to get the repayment of the principal and the interest. Suppose which one? Basil given 1 lakh amount. So you purchased a loan from a particular company. So you given a loan 1 lakh amount to that company. So you will get fixed rate of interest. Fixed, otherwise floating. The interest may be floating or fixed. Sometimes change, but you will get which one, half yearly or yearly. You will get interest and the repayment of capital also. Before giving to the equity and preference shareholders, we will get safety is there. Safe. safety is there, security is there. Okay, so that is bond is a debt securities. It is acknowledged as a debt. Okay, so a company want long-term fund. So suppose one thing you have to remember, suppose if the company want further capital, normally they won't issue equity share. Okay, normally suppose we are the shareholders of a particular company. Shareholders of a particular company. Suppose if the company want further capital, then they won't issue further equity share. Because if they issue equity share, then the control will be in the hands of the new people also. Then it will create disputes. Okay, but if they issue bond, no control will be given to other persons. Only one obligation is there, we have to give fixed rate of interest and the repayment of capital, that only. Okay, but control in the hands of us only. So that is debt, bond. Okay, next one, warrants. This is also a security. Security. Okay, so warrants are the security options or security issued by a company which give the holder the right to purchase a certain quantity of the respective company's shares at a predetermined price before a particular date. Before a particular date. Suppose a company want further capital, then they will issue, they will give the chance to the existing one. Otherwise, they will give the chance to the employees. They have the right, not the obligation. Not the obligation, they have the right to purchase the company shares, some amount of company shares at a predetermined price before a particular date. That is warrant. Means there are two kinds of warrant, call warrant and put warrant. Call warrant and put warrant. Here call warrant means the right to buy. Put warrant means the right to sell the existing shares at a predetermined price. Understand? The right to sell the existing shares to the company, the same company. They have the right at a predetermined price before the particular date. So there are two types of warrant, call warrant and put warrant. So these are the securities, types of securities, warrants. Okay, they can, here two option is there, they have the right to purchase. So suppose I have a 50,000 shares. Again, they are giving the option. Again, I can purchase 10,000 shares. If the company is a good company, if the company is giving good dividend, good return if I am getting, then I will buy that warrant, that share. Okay, so it is given to if the company want further capital, if the company want finance, they will issue warrant as a security. Warrants are the option security issued by the company which give the holder the right to, holder means the existing shareholders, the right to purchase again company shares at a predetermined price before a particular date. This also another type of security. Next, last, mutual fund. Mutual fund. Okay, so we can know that it is done by some professional people are doing. Professional money managers. It is operated by the professional money managers. How they are doing? Suppose mutual fund means they will collect fund. They will invest in it. They will collect fund from the investors. They will collect fund from the investors. Then they will invest in the good securities. In that they will get more profit, more yield, more return. That is mutual fund. Not in the one securities, not in the one company shares. They will invest in good company shares. Okay, then example, they will invest in Aditya's company, Ajanta company, Andhra Bank, Apex institutions. So it means it is managed by the, suppose if you want to invest in the mutual fund, you have to approach the professional people. That they are dealing the hedge equities. So they will, what they will do, they will invest in the good securities in which we will get more yield, not in the particular company. They will invest in the company, those companies are giving more dividends, more, more market share. Okay, so that is mutual fund. It is a type of financial vehicle made up of a pool of money collected from investors to invest in securities. Like they will invest in sometimes stock, sometimes bond, sometimes money market instruments. Money market instruments means short-term money market instruments. So that we will study in the coming chapter if it is there. Otherwise I'll teach market money, short-term money market instruments. Suppose if the company want short-term period money, they will issue some instrument. Already we studied commercial paper. Okay, so like that instrument they will issue commercial paper, money at call and short notice. Okay, money at call and short notice they will issue. On that basis they will get a money. Okay, so they will invest in some instruments. There we will get more return. Okay, that is mutual fund criteria. Okay, so that is mutual fund. It is a type of financial vehicle made by the professional money managers. Okay, professional money managers. What they will do, they will collect the money from the investors, then they will invest in the good securities in which they will get more capital gains, more income to the investors. Okay, that is mutual fund. It is safe. Mutual funds are safe because means we are investing more companies securities, bonds. So it is safe. Suppose if you are investing only the particular specific company, means if they get a less profit, means it will affect us. But if it is a mutual fund, means we are investing in many securities, many companies shares. So it will get more yield. So it is very safe. Okay. So this chapter is over. I will revise the chapter. So we studied employment of bank funds. So what do you mean by employment of bank funds? We know that use of funds. So they are getting lot of funds from the public through deposits that they are using. Sometimes they will give loan and advances and investment in securities. That is employment of fund. Then we studied liquid assets. Liquid assets are those assets which can be easily converted into cash. So the bank's liquid assets are the cash in hand. So in bank point of view, the ability to pay cash on demand. Whenever the deposits are demanding money, we must have the liquid assets. For that, we are keeping cash in hand, cash balance with the RBI, CRR. Means commercial bank have to maintain some amount of cash with the RBI, 3%, present CRR is 3%. Next, liquid assets means gold, cash with the other bank, 18.5% to control inflation. Okay, to control inflation we are doing. Then money at call and short notice, loan repayable on demand at short notice. Okay, 15 days. Then investments, otherwise advances. Okay, we are giving short-term loan. Next, we studied investment in securities, employment of funds by the bank to buy securities from the market. So factors affecting, we have to, whenever we are investing amount in the shares, we have to look first safety, then liquidity, means easily converted into cash, means easily transferable from, whenever we need the cash, we can easily transferable, we can easily convert into cash. Then return, dividend, if example, if it is a bond, interest. Okay, share means dividend, bond debenture means interest. We have to look. Then advances we studied. There are two types of advances: secured loan and unsecured loan. Secured loans are those loans which are secured against collateral security. Here on the base of individual, on the base of the personal security, interest rates are lower. Here interest rates are higher. They will charge higher interest on the case of unsecured loan. Next, loans are available for long term. Here loans are available for a fixed period or a fixed period. Borrowing limits are higher, borrowing limits are lower because no security. Loan approval process is longer due to a lot of paperwork are there. But here short-term paperwork, but one disadvantage is there, they will charge more interest. Okay, sometimes cooperative bank, they are giving loan, easy process only, but they will charge more interest. Next, credit rating. So credit rating agencies, what they will do, they will measure the person's and organization's ability to repay a financial obligation. On that basis, they will write a BB, okay, CD for credit rating. So what are the agencies? Main CIBIL, a Credit Information Bureau India Limited, okay, CRISIL, ICRA, CARE, ONICRA, SMERA. Okay, so these are the credit rating agencies. Next, credit card. It is a small plastic card which enable the holder to purchase goods and services on credit basis. Advantages: spreading purchases out. No need to carry big cash for a purchase. Buy now, pay later. Having purchase protection, boosting your credit rating. Okay, so if you have a credit rating, good credit rating, then if you are paying the amount at the correct time, then we will get easily loan from the bank. Disadvantages: possibility of debt, then credit score, fees and charges. They will charge more. Credit card, you can make a large purchase now in a small account, but you can easily dig yourself into debt. Okay, carrying credit card is more convenient than carrying a mass of cash. Then ease of using card can cause you to overspend. So now we want only 10,000 mobile, but we will purchase 20,000 mobile because we have credit card. With the responsible use, you can build your credit, which will be important later on. Means we can easily take a loan from the bank. Missing payment can sink your credit score quickly. So it will affect your credit score. Okay, after that, if you want to get a credit from the loan from the bank, you won't get it. Okay, many credit card give you rewards. Interest can make even a small debt become large over time. That is related to credit card. Next, unsecured loan. Personal loan, it is unsecured loan taken from the individual from bank or non-banking financial companies to meet their personal needs. Okay, so it is on the basis of income, credit and employment history and repayment capacity. They are giving loan. Next, we studied education loan. It is a sum of money borrowed to finance post-secondary education or higher education related expenses for meeting, purchasing books, tuition fees, supplies and living expenses. Okay, that is which one? Education loan. Next, we studied consumer durable loan for purchase of consumer durables. Okay, electronics, mobiles. For that purpose, we can take consumer durable loan. Okay, so it is easy to get a consumer durable loan. So in every case, every organizations are giving that which one 100%. Now no need to give any amount. So now 100% free only. Okay. Next, auto loan. It is taken by the borrower to purchase new or used car. So here vehicle itself, it is hypothecation. Okay, hypothecation. It is offered by the lenders for new car. Okay. Next one, home loan. It is the sum of money borrowed from a bank or financial institutions to purchase or construct a house. It is a secured loan because here property is mortgaged. Okay, lender for the security till the repayment of loan. Next, we studied term loan. It is a loan from bank for a specific amount that is a specific repayment schedule. It's for a specific time. Short-term loan repaid within 3 years. Medium-term loan repaid within a period of 3 years till 5 years. Long-term loan more than 5 years. Next, short-term loan. We studied cash credit. It is a specific type of advances given to the borrower against which one current assets. It is given to the businessman. Interest is charged on the basis of how much he withdraw from the cash credit, not on the amount put in the cash credit account. Next, overdraft, it is given to the current account holder. Under this, they can withdraw the amount more than they have. Okay. So next, discounting means the holder of the bill of exchange can discount that, can give the bill to the bank before the date of maturity. Then he will get the amount from the bank after deducting some marginal amount as a discount. Okay. So that is discounting. Then at the time of maturity, the bank will collect the amount from the debtors. Next, we studied modes of creating charge on securities. So in order to minimize the risk, bank usually insists on good securities. They will charge on that tangible assets. If the charge is created, then they will get the right to sell that asset. So loan, pledge, which one, hypothecation, mortgage, and assignment. These are the modes of creating. That means the right to retain the goods of the borrower until the debts are repaid. Fixed deposit receipt. Okay, documents. These are the loan, pledge. This is the bailment of goods as a security. Advance against goods. Okay, gold loan. Example we studied. That is which one, it will be returned to the owner on repayment of the debt. Next, hypothecation. It creates equitable charge on movable property without possession. Without possession means car, vehicle loan. Okay, that is which one hypothecation. Next one, mortgage. It is a conveyance of we create a charge on the which one, immovable property. Is it correct? Immovable property. Here land. Okay, so we are transferring on that basis. We are taking loan. That is mortgage. Then actual positions will be with the mortgager. Okay, the borrower only. Okay. In the next assignment, transfer of existing right or future right to another person. Okay, those who assign the property is called the assigner. So means we sold goods on credit to. Suppose I sold goods on credit to Adul, but now I want cash. So that book debt, that bill book debt I can give to. Suppose I purchased goods on credit from Hannah Salim. That debt, that document I can give to Hannah Salim. Okay. Insurance policy. Okay. Instead of giving cash, my insurance policy, my insurance claim, future only I will get that amount I can give to another person. Instead of giving money, that right I can give. That is assignment. Next, types of security. Equity shares are the owners, or equity shareholders are the owners of the company. It is known as ordinary common shares. They take more risk regard to dividend and repayment of capital. Okay. After giving to the debenture bond, which one preference share only, they will get a dividend. If nothing is there, nothing they will get. If it is more balanced, then they will get more dividend. Bond, it is a debt security. It is a fixed income security that represents a loan by the investor to the borrower. Okay. So means companies are taking loan from the public. Next, warrants. There it is a security. It is a share issued by the company, which give the holder the right to buy a specific number of shares at a predetermined price. That means exercise price or strike price, we can tell before the particular date. There is two options there, call and this one full option that is not in the syllabus. So that you have to remember. Call option means the right to buy. Put option means the right to sell the shares to the company, same company. Mutual fund means they are collecting amount from the investor. Then they will invest in the good securities in which they will get more capital gain, more yield, more profit. Okay. So these are the topic related to employment of bank funds. Okay. Over. If any doubt, you can ask. Now time is over. Thank you. So I think, thank you. Have a nice day.